With me, Suhas. He is All India rank 10. We are going to ask few questions and try to decode his preparation journey as well as strategy. So, Suhas, welcome and congratulations for your wonderful rank. So, my first question to you, just 30 minutes before we check all the students' data as well as the result. So when we check your result, it's All India rank 10. Although the site is not working properly, so we are not able to collect the marks, but rank we have finalized. So do you expect this rank, and how is your feeling just after the result?
I was very happy after I heard that I got top 10 rank.
Great. So tell me something about your preparation journey. When you start your preparation for JEE Advanced, and what is your strategy during your class 11th and 12th? When you start your journey for JEE?
I started preparation at 8th class.
From since class 8. Yeah. So in class 8 you have learned the subject of physics, chemistry, maths of class 11th?
Yeah, 11th.
Have you faced any difficulty?
It's obviously because the mind is not developed enough to understand 11th concepts. But we can manage the basics.
But when you are in the class 11th, I guess then you are in the comfortable position.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you are in the class 11th, and when you start your first topic, that is very easy for you because you already read those topics in class 8, 9th and 10th?
Yeah, it's easy.
Yes? Okay. So how you prepare your maths?
Mostly maths is about solving problems, so you just go on solving assignments. That should be enough.
And do you get time to play some games and all?
Yes, in a week I play thrice.
Which sports you generally play?
I like badminton.
Badminton. Okay. Inside the campus you play?
No, not inside the campus, outside the campus.
Okay. And while preparing for JEE Advanced, do you have certain strategy to solve these many questions, or subjective, objective? What is your time distribution?
Like time distribution?
Time distribution. Have you solved all the questions of Sri Chaitanya booklet? No? Why?
Time is not sufficient. Like, in 2 years span wouldn't be enough.
So I asked this question to almost all students, and I have seen that the booklet consists of very exhaustive material, and it consists of many questions. It is more than enough. But generally, students feel that we have to complete all the exercise. But as all of you have listened that Suhas got All India rank 10, but he was also not able to solve all the questions. So if you are not able to solve entire booklet, then it's okay. Just focus on the concept. So how you prepare your notes after the class or during the class, and how you remember all the formulas?
I prepare notes in the class itself, and then after the class there's like 2 hours class and 2 hours study hour. In the study hour, for an hour you revise the notes, and the next hour you solve problems.
Okay. Have you faced any difficulty while understanding the concepts? Yes. How you overcome that?
I usually like spend 10 to 15 minutes try to understand on my own. If I still can't get it, I will go to teacher or my friends.
That's great. And how you manage the time? Time management is very important. How you manage the time?
In exam or while preparation?
While preparation.
Mostly spend on chemistry because it's more of mugging up than in logic. So it's like 8 hours a day for chemistry. In the final stages of preparation, 2 hours maths, 2 hours physics.
Every day?
Every day.
This is apart from your classroom?
No, in the classroom.
In the classroom. And
Total.
after the classroom? That means after the classroom you spend 6 hours a day for self-study?
Yeah, 6.
Every day?
Almost every day, except Sundays.
Except Sunday. And what is the timetable in Sunday?
They usually conduct a 2-paper exam, 9 to 12, 2 to 5. After that, I just go home, relax, talk with my parents.
Every Sunday you give the exam of JEE Advanced?
Yeah, every Sunday.
Since class 11th?
Yeah, since the starting of class 11th.
Since class 11 to class 12, every Sunday you give JEE Advanced paper?
Yeah.
And both the paper 1 and paper 2?
Sometimes it's mains, because before 1 month of mains, you need to do this mains. So.
Okay, before 1 month you generally focus on JEE main, but since from class 11th you give JEE Advanced paper every Sunday?
Every Sunday.
Okay. And have you got some kind of demotivation when your score is not up to the mark?
Yes.
Yes? So how you handle that demotivation?
It's like not demotivation, it's like more of a push that we need to solve better in next exam. It's like motivation kind of.
Okay, fine. So before closing this, I will ask a few questions on today's evening session also, when Topper's talk is there. And I want to ask you 3 things. 3 things which must every aspirant do. every aspirant who are preparing for JEE Advanced, these are the 3 things, according to you, that you must do to your juniors?
Okay, first thing is you should see where you have gone wrong in every exam and make sure you don't repeat the mistakes again.
Means you are talking about the after exam analysis. Okay, that is very important. The first thing, according to Suhas, is after all the mock test or grand test you give, just analyze those papers just after the exam. This is the must do thing first. Second,
Writing notes in class without
inside
missing
the class. So preparing the right set of notes is important.
it. Short notes also.
Short notes is important. That's great. Third,
You should play some sports for like relaxing your mind.
that's great. So you must play some sports also, because physical health is very important. It will boost your preparation and you will calm and cool during your exams also. So it is important to spend some time in any sports, either it is badminton, cricket, football, having your interest, based on your interest you can do. And Suhas, just want to ask, during your preparation, every student do some mistakes also. And if I will ask you, start preparing again from class 11th. So you will eliminate these 2 things. What are those 2 things which you want to eliminate from your preparation?
In the initial stages of my class 11th, I didn't write notes that properly, so I would do that.
So preparation, that's good. So when you are in the class 11th, you must write the notes, and because few students skip in the class 11th, that preparation of notes. So to revise very well, it is very important to have very good notes from day 1. And the second thing?
Second thing. That's it, I have no other regrets.
That's great. So there is only one regret you have, and rest everything you have did very well, right? Do you have use some social media or anything like this
After the exam.
after the exam? During the exam, you haven't seen?
I mean, no.
No. And I spoken with lot many toppers, and everyone say one line, that we have never seen any YouTube videos during to understand the concept. Have you seen any YouTube videos?
For subject? No.
No, never.
Never.
Okay. No channel you have seen?
No.
Okay, that's great. So all the concept you have learned in the classroom and textbooks.
Yeah.
That's great, Suhas. That's great input from you. Thank you very much. And again, I will have a interaction with you today evening. Thank you very much.